In this video, we'll be discussing the system requirements for a Kubernetes deployment of Burp Suite Enterprise Edition. Please note that we recommend that you only attempt to deploy and manage Enterprise in a Kubernetes environment if you have previous Kubernetes experience. Otherwise, we would advise using the standard installer process. Now, we provide a Helm chart with the correct field values to meet the minimum system requirements, and you can access this from the Burp release page. To begin, you'll need a cluster that meets the following requirements: an ingress solution, for example a load balancer or an ingress controller, a persistent volume claim called application-name-pvc, and that can be shared by all nodes in the namespace where Burp Suite Enterprise Edition is deployed. Additionally, to enable cluster node autoscaling, the cluster autoscaler must be installed and enabled. And finally, an external database that meets our system requirements, the documentation to which you can refer to in the link below. Burp Suite Enterprise Edition can run on any x86-based cluster. There may be additional infrastructure configuration required depending on your Kubernetes environment. You can also refer to our Kubernetes support scope and deployment guide documentation, again linked below. Finally, if you refer to our system requirement documentation, you can see the container system requirements. We specify these values in our Helm chart values file, and you can configure these custom values yourselves if desired, but again, these are the minimums that are required. Please note we would advise that your cluster node type is set appropriately for your environment, and CentOS and Red Hat version 7 operating systems are not supported for the cluster worker node. Finally, if you need any assistance with the system requirements or designing your deployment, please email our support team at support@portswigger.net, and we shall endeavour to assist you. Thank you.